we are aware that Parul University has many students from different nationalities studying and residing at Parul University, right? The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in Parul University instead of studying at any other college? What is different does Parul University offer essentially?
Okay, thank you, College Dunia, and thank you, Ishita, for giving me this opportunity. Now, what I would say is Parul University is one of the most diverse university in India. When I say most diverse, I would like to mention over here that our university has 21 different faculties and 34 different institutes, which includes medicine, Ayurveda, homeopathy, physiotherapy, nursing, pharmacy, engineering, management, and basically all the spheres of education that you can think of. So, a student who chooses to study at Parul University will not only get exposure to his own field, but he will have an opportunity to interact with people from numerous other disciplines, which will help him to develop a perspective which will be very helpful for his career progression. So, this is one thing which I think no other university can offer in India to any of the student. The second important thing is diversity in cultures. So, Parul University has students from all the states of India, and it has students from more than 50 nationalities. So, exposure to a lot of cultures, lot of different ethnicity, that also again gives a different kind of perspective to the student. And apart from the diversity, the students here are given special attention to ensure that whatever objective with which they have joined the university, it gets fulfilled. Now, whether it is to get a job in a multinational company like TCS, L&T, Wipro, or if a student desires to start his own startup, then we have training and placement cell and entrepreneurship development cell to redress the need of such students. And I am very proud to tell that till date, Parul University has placed more than 15,000 students in 1,500 plus companies. And every year we are churning out 25 to 30 student startups, which makes our total tally around 500 plus student startups coming out from our university. So the students get this opportunity at Parul University. Apart from that, we have a unique cell called International Relations Cell. So the duty of this cell is to provide students the opportunity and training if at all they desire to pursue their higher education outside India, whether it is US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, or for the fact of the matter, any country. So we give total assistance to our students, whether it is preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or whether it is securing admission, and whether it is getting the student to the university campus itself. So all this assistance is being provided by Parul University. And apart from that, if a student is desirous of going into government job or cracking a competitive examination and to get into national institutes of excellence in India, so we are also providing in-house coaching to our students for UPSC, GPSC exams, for GATE exam, for CAT examination. We also have a specially designed armed force motivational cell. So they train our students to go into armed forces. So whatever career perspective student has, we are giving all the opportunity to the student to nurture himself to get into the career which he or she wishes to get into. And of course, the teaching learning process is always one of the most important aspect of any university. And given the current situation, there is lot of digital transformation done in our university, made online, maybe online classes or maybe online examination. So I'm very proud to tell you that Parul University is the only university across India which has managed to take online examination for all of its students and not giving promotion to even a single student just based on the guidelines which has been decided by UGC. We have gone on to assess our students. So see, this kind of edges make us a university sought after by most of the students. And if we combine all these advantages, I think it's very difficult for any other university to come close to us.
Definitely, I'm from Gujarat, so I know that Parul University has grown from leaps and bounds in the few short years, and I'm definitely sure that the experience provided is at par with many universities and better than them also. On that note, sir, I'd like to move on to the next question. That is, major part of how students learn and a major part of what students learn and gain from university is based on its curriculum. So, what do you think? How does the curriculum of Parul University ensure that the best practices of industries are followed, and the curriculum is always up to date with what is happening in the industry, and the students gain the best from it?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Now, see, most of the universities, they have board of studies in their university, which is a constitutional body which frames the syllabus of most of the courses. So we also have it in our university as per the UGC guideline. But what is different in our university is in every particular field, we have created industry boards. And these industry boards are separate for every faculty. Let me give you an example. For example, if I have a mechanical engineering stream, so for my mechanical engineering, I have an industry board wherein I have 5 eminent people from different sectors of mechanical engineering, like production, manufacturing, thermal engineering. So all the facets of mechanical engineering are covered, and we have people who have seen the mechanical engineering in and out throughout their professional career in industry. So they know what is demanded by the industry from the students basically, and they help us in giving that cutting edge to our curriculum, giving that skill component which misses in most of the university curriculum. And this makes our training different from most of the other university because of the input which we get from our industry board for each of our curriculum. And that's how we ensure that our students are industry ready from day one they graduate from the university. So I think this is one different thing which we do at Parul University.
That's really wonderful. And on that note, I'd like to move on to our next question, which is many universities have provisions to help students with poor economic background or races to they provide an opportunity so that they can also learn and get a better life and a career for themselves. So could you provide us any insight into how your university is more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds, and how it helps to uplift them?
So Ankita, Ishita, we at our university we have different scholarship schemes. The one is the tuition fee waiver scheme. That is 5% of the total intake of every technical program. So that is purely on merit base. A meritorious student who comes from a humble backgrounds and is not able to afford the fees of private university, he can secure admission in this 5% supernumerary seats, and there is no tuition fees to be paid by the students. Apart from that, in our university, we also have merit-based scholarship based on the results secured by the student in the board examination and the competitive examination. So it is based on the slab of the percentage which they obtain, whether they are between the slab of 60 to 70%, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So depending on the scoring which they have got on 10th and 12th standard level or at the graduation level, they can avail scholarship of the university. And apart from that, we also have a special culture quota, sports quota, and armed force quota to motivate students who have extraordinary skills in various cultural aspects, may it be debate, may it be dancing, may it be singing, may it be music. And similarly in sports, those who have extraordinary skills in sports, they can come and secure admission. And those students who want to go in armed forces and come from armed forces background, for them also we have a special quota where we give highly subsidized fee to them so that they can avail their education at very subsidized cost. And apart from that, those students who come from humble background and do not have merit, for them also we have identified certain percentage of the seats in different courses, and based on the application which we received under this quota, we scrutinize them and admit students every year. So we take care of students coming from different strata. We take care of students who are meritorious and not able to afford quality education. And we also take care of the students who have special talents in various areas and they need that kind of support to carry forward their talent. So I think in and all, we try to cater diverse crowd of students while we admit them.
That's really wonderful to hear, sir. And that really helps students from poor economic backgrounds to get an opportunity to grow in their career. And not many universities take that into consideration. They uh, primarily, mostly the private universities. So it's great to hear that you people have taken care of that. On that note, I'd like to move on to our next question, which is, as we're all aware that Parallel University has grown by leaps and bounds in the few years that it since its inception, and has achieved many milestones also. So, when you must have also joined Parallel University, what was your vision for the university, and has it evolved over time? And how far along are you in implementing the vision that you had when you must have joined the university?
Yeah. So, as you yourself said that Parallel University has grown in leaps and bounds in last couple of years. So we are a very young university. We established in 2015. Before that, we were affiliated colleges, and it's just 4 years back that we got the university status. So when we established the university, our primary aim was to get Parul University among the top 10 universities of India by 2025. And I would say we are very much on course towards that direction. We will be now going for NAC accreditation since we have now become eligible. We will also now go for NIRF ranking. For that also we have recently become eligible. So our target is to get into top 10 of the country by 2025, and all of us are working very hard to ensure that we achieve that. And as far as our performance is concerned, it's there for everyone to see how we have grown in terms of student enrollments, how we have grown in terms of our placements, entrepreneurial initiatives, and various other things which we have done for student welfare.
So that's really great. On that note, let's move on to the next question, which is, there's a lot of information available on the internet, on various social media channels. Students are always consuming information, searching about universities and colleges that they would like to join. So, what is that one information that you would like the students to know about Parul University, which would make them keen to join Parul University, and what makes it stand apart from its peers?
So, as I said in the initial question, the answer will be the same. I would say the students, before making choice in current circumstances, it's very important that you do not make a decision based on the current situations, especially the corona pandemic, where you will be more inclined to study locally. But one has to keep in mind the population which takes admission into universities, they are the least affected by this pandemic because of the immunity they have, and there are very less chances of acquiring infection and being subjected to mortality. So considering that, first of all, students should not be worried about moving outside of his or her town for taking admission. And when he or she takes decision, do not consider the current situation in mind, because the situation is not going to last long, maybe a year or maybe a year and a half, not more than that. Because the worst pandemic which we have seen in 1980, Spanish flu, it did not last more than 12 months. So your decision to take admission in a particular course is going to give you result 3 years, 4 years down the line. So the situation will not be the same. For example, today you might not think of becoming an airline pilot because of the situation in the aviation industry is, but this is not going to remain same for all 4 years. So please take long-term perspective in mind. Look what university has to offer in terms of globalization, in terms of placement, in terms of entrepreneurship, in terms of training you for competitive exam, in terms of giving you exposure which helps you to get admission in the university of repute. So all these things are going to matter. So my request to all the students is, please consider all these things before you make a choice of university for your higher education career.
True, sir. Totally true. I think students are looking from a very short-term perspective, that what would give them short-term gains, that whether they would get immediate jobs and everything, and they're not looking at it from a long-term perspective, that a 4-year degree would give them both a practical and a theoretical knowledge also. So definitely that's something students should be considering. On that note, I would like to move on to our last question, which is, what is that one thing about Parul University which is its greatest strength, and which has made Parul University what it is today?
I think our placements is the most important USP. We ensure that each and every student which takes admission to our university, he or she does get a job. So our placement packages, as I said, so far we have placed more than 15,000 students in 1,500 industry. Our students are working in Google, Facebook, Amazon, SAP. So these are Fortune 500 companies where our students are working. And there are companies which recruit in masses from our university, that is TCS. Every year they recruit 40 to 50 students. ICICI Bank, they recruit 40 to 50 students. So every student which gets into Parul University, he does get a job. And that is our USP. That is one thing which all the students must keep in mind while they make the decision to study for their higher education.